That's well the way through. Good pace to the rally. That's a beautiful cross. In fact, there's only been 2 winners from Malaysia of this particular title. Just wide. Yeah, good. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah.
So it's over.
Coach has got to say is just forget that opening game. This opening game, can't dwell on that. Brilliant. Oh my goodness, that's. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. He went back level. Players in trouble when they do that rather than playing the round the head shot, as indeed is Rhustavito here, but it's got 5 straight points. And then their opponents winning a run of points. 5 or so points going the opposite way. Oh, that's gone well. Go round. 1 game all. 20. Yeah, he's done it again. Oh my goodness, that's good. It's landing in. Yeah, he needs to play it. Longest rally of the match so far, without any shadow of a doubt. And it's won by Rhustavito, where he was outclassed in all of. Oh, unbelievable. Brilliant. It's reversed. Oh, he's missed it. This is a big point. Oh my goodness, that's no. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Needed. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's gone wide as well. Good net shot. Yeah. He's played with a lot more urgency. That's just missed. That's landed in. 4 of them for Shesar.